writes the code in minutes. What it does not do is prove why that code exists. Rivet binds that proof to the repository. Rivet is a command line tool. One help screen lists every command: validate, coverage, link, audit. It runs in CI on every push. Rivet Serve opens a dashboard over the same artifacts. No separate database, no drift. Requirements, hazards, design decisions, and test specs all live as files in the repo. Validated the same way the code is. Open one requirement and you see its links, what it satisfies, what verifies it. The chain is explicit, not reconstructed after the fact. Coverage reports show every gap. If a link is missing, validation fails the build. The traceability model cannot silently drift from the code. Rivet open source, built in Rust. Because agents don't remember why, so the repository has to.